Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Ready to make your Shopify website stand out? Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to add a stunning banner to your Shopify homepage, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to upload a beautiful banner that grabs your visitors' attention and gives your store a professional touch. Let's get straight into it. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Shopify admin page. This is the central control room for everything related to your store. So if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the options here, don't worry. It's totally normal when you're getting started. Just make sure you're logged into your account so you can see all your settings. Once you're inside your Shopify admin, look for the menu on the left side and click on Online Store. This is your gateway to all things visual, customizing your store's look, editing themes, and more. When you click it, a few new options will appear underneath. What you want here is Customize. Think of this Customize button as opening up your virtual canvas. It's where you can make changes and see them come to life before your eyes. Now, when the customization panel opens, check out the list on the left side. You'll see an overview of all the sections that make up your homepage. Take a moment to scan through. It's helpful to understand how your site is structured. Find the panel called Image Banner. If you're wondering what an image banner is, it's that large, eye-catching picture right at the top of your homepage, like the cover of a book, inviting customers in. Click on Image Banner to select this area. Over on the right, you'll see all the cool options for setting the image itself. Shopify makes this super easy. You can either choose one of your own images that you've already uploaded, maybe a product photo, a logo, or something that reflects your shop's vibe. If you don't have an image yet, don't stress. Shopify offers a fantastic library of free images, so you can browse and pick one that fits your brand. Seriously, these free images look just as good as premium ones, so you can get creative without worrying about copyright or quality. Take your time finding an image that really communicates what your brand is about. If you have a niche store, maybe look for an image that fits your specialty, like cozy blankets for a home goods shop, or sleek tech shots for electronics. Once you've found the perfect banner, click Select at the bottom of the panel. That's it. Your image is now in place. One last but very important step. Don't forget to hit Save. You'd be surprised how easy it is to make changes and then accidentally leave without saving. So double check that you click the Save button. This locks in your new banner, making sure everyone who visits your homepage sees your fantastic update. And just like that, you've upgraded your Shopify store's look with a beautiful banner. No coding, no confusion, just a polished result. That image banner is what greets your visitors first, so giving it a little attention really pays off. If anything didn't work as expected, take a breath and go back through the steps. Sometimes it helps to refresh your browser or double-check the image size. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions about adding banners or customizing your Shopify theme, just drop a comment below. I always check to help you out. And for more beginner-friendly guides like this one, be sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy building on Shopify!